Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make calcium phosphate fertilizer. This essential nutrient is crucial for robust plant development, supporting strong roots and abundant flowering. We'll explore the simple yet effective methods to transform raw materials into a valuable soil amendment. By the end, you'll understand the process, enabling you to enhance your garden's productivity and ensure healthier, more vibrant plants. Let's get started on this journey to better soil. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients. The primary component is phosphate rock, which naturally contains calcium phosphate. This rock is typically mined and then ground into a fine powder. Next, we'll use sulfuric acid, a strong acid that plays a crucial role in making the phosphate available to plants. Finally, water is essential for creating the right consistency and allowing the chemical reactions to proceed smoothly. These three elements are fundamental to our process. The core of making this fertilizer lies in a process called acidulation. Here, the finely ground phosphate rock is carefully combined with sulfuric acid. This chemical reaction transforms the insoluble tricalcium phosphate in the rock into monocalcium phosphate, which is water-soluble. This conversion is critical because it allows plant roots to easily absorb the phosphorus. The mixture is then allowed to cure, ensuring the reaction completes and the product stabilizes for optimal effectiveness. Once your calcium phosphate fertilizer is ready, it's time for application. This fertilizer is best incorporated into the soil before planting, ensuring the nutrients are available as plants begin to grow. It significantly boosts root development, leading to stronger, healthier plants. You'll also notice improved flowering and fruiting, resulting in more abundant harvests. Regular use of this homemade fertilizer can dramatically enhance your soil's fertility and contribute to a thriving garden or farm. Enjoy the benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.